Hi everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we're back in the studio and we'll be working on one of the most anticipated bikes of 2024, the Honda Transalp. We'll do a simple but effective upgrade by installing one of our VStream windshields on here. It'll give you great performance and great looks going down the road. And all you're going to need, one of these guys, 5mm Allen wrench. Okay, so we're going to start by taking the windshield apart now. We're going to remove the 4 mounting bolts that hold the windshield to the bracketry. Now, this particular bracket setup is the keylay in there and it's a well nut in there. So you're going to make sure you don't lose any of those parts. And behind the bolts, there's 2 washers in there. So you want to make sure you hold on to those as well. So 5mm Allen. Start taking these out. See, these are the 2 little washers that are in there. So you want to make sure those stay in place. And then go ahead and just take them all full birth. Okay, now we're ready to install the new VStream windshield. These are the 4 well nuts. You want to make sure these are in place. They should be up at the very highest position. And you should have a nice gap at the bottom there. As long as all those are lined up. Now we're going to go ahead and install our windshield. We're going to go with our new low dark tint VStream for this bike. Matches the profile perfectly. They look really aggressive, really cool on there. So we'll go ahead and take your stock bolts and stock washers and line them up on the well nuts. Now you don't want to press too hard on the well nuts because what could happen is you can push them out the back of the bracket and then you can lose them. So be very careful reinstalling. Line it up nice and easy. Make sure both of the original washers are in place. Go ahead and give them a nice tighten with your 5mm Allen. There you have it. Very simple upgrade, getting you great looks and great performance going down the road. This is going to be one of 3 windshields that we're going to have for Transalp. Check these out and all of our products from National Cycle at nationalcycle.com. And don't forget to visit us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Till then, enjoy your ride.